He was born into privilege, but with a body too weak to enjoy it. Sick, frail, gasping for air through endless asthma attacks. At night, he'd lie awake, struggling just to breathe. The doctor said he won't survive a full life. Most kids would have accepted that fate. He didn't. He told his father, "I will make my body." And he did, brick by brick, punch by punch, run by painful run. He turned the soft, sick boy into a relentless force of nature. He boxed at Harvard, tamed the Badlands, charged up San Juan Hill, took bullets, and kept moving. Then he took the White House. Not to sit in it, but to shake it, he said. It is hard to fail, but it is worse never to have tried to succeed. Because Roosevelt believed this, the struggle is the point. The pain is your training. The obstacle is the way. So what's your excuse? Too tired? So was he? Too broken? He lost his wife and mother on the same day, and still got back up. Too late, he lived every day like a war with time. You want to change your life? Start where it hurts. Run toward it. Build through it. Because the world doesn't remember the man who was born strong, it remembers the one who refused to stay weak. Be like Teddy. Make your body, forge your mind, build your life. Now do not break,